Want to speak real Cantonese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at CantoneseClass101.com.
Hi everybody, Olivia here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I'll answer some of your most common Cantonese questions. The question for this lesson is, what are the final particles? There are lots of final particles in Cantonese. The use of the particles is to modify the attitude of the speaker or the tone of the sentence. The common final particles are a, ga, la, me, lo, etc. Let's get into more details. Do you need to know all the final particles? The final particles in Cantonese are called 美音. You do not have to use all of the final particles unless you fully understand the meaning and usage of them. The sentence may sound extremely strange or rude if you put the wrong tone or final particle at the end of the sentence. However, being able to use final particle will make your Cantonese sound more fluent. Why does it sound more natural when you use final particles? The use of final particles can soften the tone of statements and add a sense of impatience, surprise, doubt, uncertainty, or disapproval to the speaker's attitude. If you can master the correct usage of these final particles, your Cantonese definitely sounds more natural and fluent. Let's compare a few sentences with and without the final particle. 佢返咗學 is a simple sentence meaning he went to school. Now, let's add the final particle 啩 to the sentence. 佢返咗學啩 It becomes, I guess he went to school, but I'm not completely sure. Another final particle that makes a big difference is 啫. For example, 10蚊 means $10 and 10蚊啫 is only $10. Besides, paying attention to the correct usage of the final particle, using a different tone of the same particle will add a different meaning. For example, 得㗎 in the third tone, 得㗎 means okay, it will do. But 得㗎 in the fourth tone, 得㗎 means are you sure? Or really? How was it? Pretty interesting, right? Do you have any more questions? Leave them in the comments and I'll try to answer them. See you next time. 下次見。